Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful skill, how to add buttons in Webflow. Whether you're working on a simple portfolio or building out a full business site, buttons are absolutely key for your visitors to interact with your pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel totally confident dropping in buttons wherever you need them, and you'll know exactly why each step matters. Let's get started. So first things first, you want to open up the website you've already created in Webflow. Head over to your project, just click on it from your project dashboard. Now, if your internet is a bit slow or if your site has a lot of content, don't worry if it takes a couple seconds to load up. Let it finish loading before you make any changes, just to avoid glitches or accidentally missing the newest updates to your design. Once your site's open and you're in the designer, you'll see a whole bunch of panels. Don't let that overwhelm you. What we want right now is super simple. Over on the left-hand side is your Add Elements panel. Think of it like a giant toolbox full of building blocks for your website. Go ahead and click on that little plus icon. Now inside the Add panel, you'll see all sorts of elements, from text to images to all sorts of layout options. But since we're adding a button, let's make it easy and use the search function. Just type button right into the search bar at the top of this panel. Webflow will filter out everything except the button element, saving you from scrolling through all the other bits and pieces. If you're a fan of efficiency or easily distracted, trust me, this search bar's your best friend. You should see the button element pop right up. Here, where you have two main options. You can simply click on it or you can drag it exactly where you want on your design canvas. Clicking will usually add the button to whatever element is already selected, so if you accidentally have a different section picked, your button might not land where you expected. That's why I usually recommend clicking and dragging the button. When you drag, you get these handy blue highlights showing you precisely where it'll drop. Take a moment here to position your button in just the right spot, whether that's in a hero section, a product card, or maybe even in your site's footer. Remember, good button placement can make a huge difference in how easily people interact with your site. Once the button's on your page, you can start customizing it, change the label, update the style, make it fit your brand. But getting it on the page is really the first essential step. Don't worry if you make a mistake or the button lands in the wrong spot. You can always undo or just drag it somewhere else. Webflow is very forgiving that way, so explore a bit and find what looks and feels right for your layout. And that's all there is to it. Adding a button might sound like a tiny thing, but it's such a powerful way to connect your users to what matters most on your site, whether that's starting a sign-up, contacting you, or buying a product. If today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or hit any snags, leave a comment down below. I'm always here to help. And of course, if you want more Webflow tips and web design tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching and have fun building those buttons.